Well, that's all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed our little kitchen adventure. Don't forget to try the recipe.
Now, this dough looks just about ready. Nice and springy.
What do you call a fake noodle?
An impasta. You told that one last week, Rusty. Whoa. This is gonna be delicious. Yes, it is.
So these are pigs in a blanket then?
The ultimate pig in a blanket. Now, the wrapping is the most important part. There's a real art to it.
Yeah.
Why did the sausage wrap itself in a blanket, Shadow?
Because it was a little chilly. Dack. All right, let's get these piggies in their blankets. We've got a hungry crowd waiting.
Next up, the golden touch. A little egg wash to make them shine.
You missed a spot. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Everything's better with cheese. Careful, don't get cheesy on us now.
A generous coating is key to a happy life.
Now for the real artistry. Ketchup or mustard first? Ugh, it's the eternal question. So you're the one they call Bigfoot, huh? Whoa.
What? What? You better catch up. You're falling behind.
All right. For those of us who like a little danger, it's time for things to get jalapeno business. Ooh. Another batch ready. Now that's what I call a perfectly glazed sausage roll.
They look magnificent, Shadow.
Indeed, Rusty. Our best batch yet.
The first bite is for the skeptic.
Not bad, Rusty. Not bad at all.
Well, that's all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed our little kitchen adventure. Don't forget to try the recipe.